In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to Figma prototypes. Figma, known for its collaborative interface design capabilities, is an essential tool for designers worldwide. Adding videos to your prototypes can significantly enhance their interactivity and provide a dynamic experience. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to head over to the Figma website. Once you're there, locate the login button. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is where all your projects and designs are organized. Now, look for the project you'd like to work on or start a new design if you haven't already. Once your project is open, navigate to the design interface. Here, you can create and modify the various elements for your prototype. Don't worry if you're starting from scratch. Figma's user-friendly features make it simple to build your design with just a few clicks. Once your design elements are in place, the next step is to switch to the Prototype tab. This can usually be found at the top of your window within the interface. Once in prototype mode, you'll be able to link together the different parts of your design to better simulate how your application or website will function. With your prototype mode activated, direct your attention to the interaction feature. It's often symbolized by a lightning bolt icon. Click on the interaction tool and select the elements you wish to make interactive. This is where the magic happens, allowing users to experience the flow of the design. After setting up your interactions, it's time to focus on the actions. This step involves determining what happens when a user engages with each element. By choosing the appropriate actions, you can create a seamless experience for your audience. In our case, we want to integrate video content into these interactions. For incorporating videos, you'll need to select the Open Link action. This feature allows you to link a video URL to your chosen element. Once clicked, users will be able to view the video content directly within the prototype. This step not only enriches the user experience, but also helps to convey more complex ideas through multimedia. To wrap up, review all the interactions and actions you've set up. Make sure the video links work as intended and that your prototype flows as you envisioned. With everything in place, you're ready to present a dynamic and interactive prototype to your stakeholders or design team. And that's it. By following these steps, you have successfully added videos to your Figma prototype, enriching your design with a powerful visual tool. Thank you for watching and happy designing.